Now today we start our lesson number 2, the wise pigeon. All of you know what is pigeon? Pigeon is, in Hindi we call it kabutar. Now there are some questions like where does a pigeon live? So everybody knows that a pigeon lives in a tree. Second, what would you do if your friend does something that doesn't suit you? So in that condition, we talk to our friend and suggest them not to do that type of things. Third, would you also do the same with them? No, we can't do the same with them. Now student, here is a story of a wise pigeon. Wise means samajhdar. Now first I read the paragraph. There lived a pigeon in a mango tree. The pigeon's family consisted of his wife and 2 beautiful children. The wings of the children had not yet grown, hence they were not able to fly. So here you look at this picture, there is a mango tree, and in this mango tree, a pigeon's family live there. In the family of pigeon, there is a pigeon, his wife and his 2 children, and the children, they don't yet grown and they don't able to fly because their wings are not grown. Now every morning the pigeon and his wife used to set out in the search of food. They used to return before the fall of night. The children were happy to see their parents back home. Now at the morning time, the pigeon and his wife go for the search of food, go out for search of food, and at the night they come. While they are returning, the children were very happy to see their parents back. On the same mango tree there also lived a monkey named Kalu. He considered himself to be very powerful and so often took a fight with the birds on petty issues. All the birds on the tree were afraid of the monkey. They were in fact sick of him, but none of them would dare to object. In same mango tree, there a monkey named Kalu also live here. Now he is very powerful and he took a fight with all the birds who lives in that tree. So no one get courage to fight with him. One day Kalu proudly said to the birds, I am the most powerful amongst you. Thus you have to pay me regards every time you pass my way. So one day the Kalu said all the birds that I am the most powerful. So all of you pay regards to me. Whenever you at my way, you pay regards to me. So students,
जिस पर एक कबूतरों का परिवार रहता था और उसी आम के पेड़ पर एक बंदर रहा करता था जिसका नाम कालू था। तो कालू अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल समझता था और वो सारे बर्ड्स उससे डरते थे क्योंकि वो किसी के साथ भी अच्छा बर्ताव नहीं करता था और कोई भी उससे लड़ाई करने की हिम्मत नहीं करता था क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ताकतवर था। तो द पिजन हु डिड नॉट लाइक द मंकीज हॉटीनेस सेड, Brother Kalu, it is not wise to boast. You will get respect if you behave politely. The monkey became furious at the suggestion made by the pigeon. The next evening, the pigeon returned home and found his nest totally destroyed. He was shocked to see his children laying unconscious. Immediately, the pigeon learned who had done all that. He quietly started building his nest all over again. By dawn, the pigeon, leaving his children under the care of his wife, left home for food. Now in this paragraph, when Kalu said that everyone pay regards to me, then one pigeon did not like monkey's haughtiness or the unfriendly way. So he suggests Kalu that it is not wise to boast. You have not praised yourself. If you get respect to somebody, then you again give the respect. If you give the respect, then you get the respect. So monkey become very furious about this suggestion, by the pigeon. Now next day when the pigeons had gone for search of food, when they returned, they saw that their nest was totally destroyed, and they know that who did this. So they make their nest again, and in next day the pigeon leave the search of food and leave their children under the care of his wife. Now by the evening the pigeon returned home. He came to know that the monkey had been laying on the branch of the mango tree and was moaning in pain the whole day. None of the birds from the mango tree went to him to inquire about his health. Now when pigeon come home, then he saw that the monkey was laying and mooning in pain, and no other birds went to search about his health. The pigeon's wife said, "It is really good. This wicked monkey deserves such a punishment. Today he will realize what happens if we trouble others." The pigeon said, "You should not talk like this. The monkey is bad, but now he is in trouble and we should help him." Now when the pigeon's wife said that it is good for that monkey because his behavior was very bad and rude for the others. So today he realized that what happens if he troubles others. Now the pigeon said, "This is not correct. If he does something wrong with us, we can never do it like that. So we should help him." Now the pigeon immediately went to the monkey and he asked, "Why are you mooning, brother?" And pigeon went to the monkey and asked for help. The monkey was moved by the concern expressed by the pigeon and he felt ashamed of his behavior. The monkey replied, "I have a thorn in my leg and it pains badly." The pigeon pulled out the thorn from his leg. The monkey felt instant relief once the thorn was removed, and he went off to sleep. Now monkey get ashamed when pigeon went to him to help. So he tell that he had a thorn in his leg and it pains badly. The pigeon removed it, and for instant time he get relief when the thorn was removed, and the monkey went off to sleep. So next day all the birds of the tree were pleasantly surprised to see the sudden change in the monkey's behavior. They saw the monkey meeting and chattering nicely with the birds. Now next day when all the birds see that the monkey meet and chatter with all the birds very nicely, so they get very surprised. What would happen to the monkey? Now in that part, अभी तक मैंने आपको कहानी बताई थी कि मंकी जो कालू था वो बहुत प्राउडली अपने आप को सबको कहा करता था कि आप मुझे रिस्पेक्ट करो। तो जब वो इस तरह से अपनी खुद की प्रशंसा कर रहा था, अपने आप को दूसरे के ऊपर थोप रहा था, उस समय पर एक पिजन ने उसे सजेस्ट किया कि अगर आप दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करोगे तो दूसरे भी आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, आपको किसी को डराकर रिस्पेक्ट लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। तो ये सुनने पर मंकी बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है और वो नेक्स्ट डे जब पिजन्स फूड की सर्च पे जाते हैं तो वो उनके घोंसले को तोड़ देता है। जब वो वापस आते हैं तो देखते हैं उनके जो बच्चे रहते हैं वो बेचारे अनकॉन्शियस सी कंडीशन में इंजरी हो जाती है तो पड़े हुए होते हैं। तो वो उनको समझते देर नहीं लगती कि ये किसने किया है, तो भी वो अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं। और दूसरे दिन पिजन जब खाने की तलाश में जाता है तब वो अपने बच्चों को अपनी बीवी की देखभाल में छोड़कर जाता है। शाम को जब पिजन लौटता है तो वो देखता है कि जो मंकी है वो ब्रांच में बैठा है और वो कराह रहा था। तो वो बोलता है, और उस पेड़ में कोई भी उसके पास नहीं जाता पूछने के लिए कि क्या तकलीफ है उसको। तो पिजन की वाइफ बोलती है कि ऐसे व्यक्तियों के साथ ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, आज उसको समझ में आएगा कि हम दूसरों के साथ गलत करते हैं तो हमारे साथ क्या होता है। तो पिजन कबूतर उसे समझाता है कि तुम्हें ऐसी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमें समस्या के समय उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए। मंकी बैड है लेकिन हमें उसी की मदद करनी चाहिए। मंकी के पास जाता है पिजन, कबूतर जाता है और उसे पूछता है कि तुम क्यों करा रहे हो, क्या हुआ भाई। तब मंकी को जब पिजन कबूतर उससे ये सारी चीजें पूछता है तब उसे बहुत पछतावा होता है और उसे अपने ऊपर शर्म आती है जो बिहेवियर उसने उनके साथ किया हुआ होता है। तो वो बताता है कि मेरे पैर पे एक कांटा लग गया है तो उसकी वजह से मुझे काफी तकलीफ हो रही है। तो जो कबूतर रहता है वो उस कांटे को निकालता है, तो थोड़ी ही देर बाद, कांटे निकलने की थोड़ी ही देर बाद बंदर को आराम मिल जाता है और वो सो जाता है। दूसरे दिन सभी जितने भी बर्ड्स रहती हैं उस पेड़ पर, वो बहुत चकित हो जाती हैं कि अरे ये बंदर का बर्ताव कैसे बदल गया। वो क्या देखते हैं कि बंदर सबके साथ बहुत अच्छे से हिल मिलकर प्यार से बातें कर रहा है और खेल रहा है। तो इस तरह से ये स्टोरी है एक वाइस पिजन, एक समझदार कबूतर की कहानी, जिसने एक बुरे बंदर की आदतों को सुधार दिया।